Part A lists the components of a DBMS. The database management system can be divided into few major components. They are hardware, software, data, procedures, data access language. What is meant by table? In relational databases and fault file databases, a table is a set of data elements values using a model of vertical columns indefinible by name, horizontal rows, the call being the unit where a row and column intersect. A table has a specified number of columns but can have any numbers of rows. List the data types in a SQL server. Exact numeric bit, tin int, small int, big int, decimal numbers, numeric money and small money, approximate numeric, read and float, date and time, date time, date time to date time, offset, small data time, character strings, char varchar text, unicode character strings, nchar n varchar n text, binary string, binary image and var binary. Other data types: Kershaws, hierarched, SQL, Variant table, row, version, Unicode, different, XML, Spattle, and regraphy. What is meant by first normal form? First normal form in 1NF is property of a relation of relation database of relation is in the first normal form if and only if in the domain of each attribute contains only atomic invisible values and the value of each attribute contains only a single value from that domain. Define DDL. DDL, data definition language. DDL or data definition language actually consists of the SQL commands that can be used to define the database schema. It simply deals with the descriptions of the database scheme and it is used to create and modify the structure of database objects in the databases. What are the graphical objects? Graphical object is an image in the symbol window. It can be selected, moved, modified or deleted. Graphical subjects include, for example, horizontal and vertical lines, linear regressions, channel, Fibonacci levels, rectangle, text marks, etc. What do you mean by validation? Validation is the process whereby the data entered in the database is checked to make sure that it is sensible. It cannot check whether or not the data entered is corrected. To lessen is the number of errors during the process or data input. Define switchboard forms. The switchboard forms is form that allows you to navigate around your Access database. The switchboard is made of buttons that you click. You can program these buttons to open forms, reports, queries, etc. Microsoft provides a switchboard wizard that allows you define the logs of fill your switchboard. Write a note on events. Database events enables applications or the DBMS servers to notify other applications that a specific event has occurred. The monitor applications respond to the database events by performing the actions the application's designer specified when writing the monitor applications. What is the primary role of the data administrator? Database administrators, DBAs, use specialized software to store and organizations data. The role many include capacity planning, installations, configurations, database listing, migration, performance monitoring, security troubleshooting, as well as backup and data recovery. List the data tasks by development stages: planning and strategy, analysis, distance, passage, implementations, maintenance. What is meant by the client server database? Client server database consists of two logical components. One is client and other one is server. Client are those who send the request to perform a specific task to server, but server runs a database management system which manage the whole database.